Presente simples, I do. Presente contínuo, I am doing. Presente perfeito, I have done. Presente perfeito contínuo, I have been doing. Past simple, I did. Past continuous, I was doing. Past perfect, I had done. Past perfect continuous, I'd been doing. Future simple, I will do. Future continuous, I will be doing. Future perfect, I will have done. Future perfect continuous, I will have been doing. E aqui vai um desafio para você. Deixe nos comentários o que completa a lacuna.